Good morning, my dear's kitchen family. If you've ever tried to make ginger drink every day, you know it's a wonderful habit, but also a bit of a hassle. Washing, peeling, chopping or boiling it all takes time and energy, and let's face it, life gets busy, really busy. So today I want to share a smart time saving method that lets you enjoy fresh ginger drink anytime, any day, without daily preparation. The secret of turning your ginger into ice cubes. You all know that ginger is very good for digestion. It's an anti-inflammatory. It builds the immune system and it can reduce bloating and improve blood circulation. It's delicious, warm or cold, sweetened or plain. You can include it in your daily routine. The only problem is the effort. So today, watch this video till the end and see how you can save time every single day making ginger, washing, peeling, grating, chopping, boiling, cleaning up the mess. And if you are trying to do this every morning, it's easy to skip it, right? Watch and see the way out. So after peeling your ginger, you transfer into a blender, put a little bit of water and blend. Then get a sieve and sieve out the juice. You wonder if you will discard the chaff from the ginger? No, they are all ginger and all important. We are going to also save that. You can use it for cooking, you can add it in your smoothie, you can use it for spicing your meat. So after draining out the juice, transfer to a jug to enable you pour it neatly into the ice cube mold. After transferring into the ice cube molds, you gently transfer into a freezer, and it's better to stay overnight to solidify very well. Then you also transfer the chaff into a mold to have it in bits for easy use. After transferring it, you also transfer it to a freezer and keep all overnight. Then the next day it's ready. Pop them out and transfer into a bigger plate and put it back into the freezer, and that is it. You have your ginger every single day and it will last for a longer time. So this saves you the hassle of making ginger drink every day. Thank you for watching. Thank you our viewers and our followers. Remember to put a like on the video and let us know what you think about the recipe. Also, remember to click the follow button for more interesting recipes. See you in our next video. Bye.
The master's flair, every dish crafted with love and care. Oh, Dior's kitchen where dreams are made. A bite here will sweep you away. From savory spices to sweet delight, get it all fresh, cooked just right. Flour flies and the oven sing, perfection served in everything. Dior's knows what pleases you, a feast of wonders, plate after plate. Get it all fresh, cooked just right.